Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from Pocketbroker in 2025. Today, we're breaking down the withdrawal process step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary prerequisites: a verified account, a linked bank account, and that you've met any minimum balance requirements. First, let's access your Pocketbroker account. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Now, navigate to the withdrawal section in the app, typically found in the main menu. Select your preferred withdrawal method, whether it's a bank transfer, an e-wallet, or another option available. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm your identity, following any prompts on the screen. Take a moment to review your transaction details to ensure everything is correct before submission. Once verified, submit your withdrawal request. Here's what to expect next. Understand that withdrawal processing times may vary based on your method, so check for any fees that may apply. Finally, here are some tips to ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. Double-check your details and allow for processing time.